I was talking to Wayne the other day, and we were talking about how tough it must be to be a cop these days, especially when one bad cop somewhere does something dumb and like clockwork, the troublemakers show up and try to con people into believing that all cops are horrible people, and the people in charge just stand there and let them pretty much break any laws they want. Are they cowards, or are they part of this new I Hate America crowd? And why would they want to handcuff the police and allow everybody to be put in danger? Well, I'm afraid you'd have to read a history book, because this stuff has all happened before. Yeah, there's an enemy out there, but it's not the police. And to Oklahoma's finest, Wayne, his family, and everyone at Lifetime Transmissions want you to know that we all stand behind you and support you and appreciate you.
Defend the police! Don't defund the police!
And we offer our prayers for your safety and the strength to stand up to the bullies of the world, because you're the good guys here, and we don't ever want you to forget that.